Slim 2.
Smell out a freak, do the front or back, turn the letter D, do the triple X when I'm in a freak.
Yo, what's up? Hello, sons of hope, is y'all ready for this? Alright, so we got my first guy, I'm performing with two of my friends. We got Eastside, give it up for Eastside. Then you got my homie in the back there lurking, his name is Fawaz. Fawaz, where you at, bro? Give it up to my boy Fawaz. And then after that, we got my boy Joey and then me. We gon' kill this shit, alright? This is my boy Joey right here. Alright, bet. Hey, I'm gonna give it to my man. Joey, bro. We gaan beginnen. Hey yo, people, how y'all doing? En zie kan je horen zonder woorden. Alles hier zijn illegaal, de mannen blijven horen. Hou een please, niemand kan me dus de storen. Always in de flow, dit is de flow van alle goden. Ik ben te vaak op stap, ik zie dit land en ik denk van. Wat is er aan de hand? De man doet vrouw, de vrouw doet man. Dingen die ik al zag, ik van prepare en ik ben kalm. Alles is in de krant, wat is er aan de hand? Ik ben niet zo van, nee, hoe ik moet naar die dingen van fuck al, hoe je laat op de dag. Ik heb de weinig interesse, want ik ben de arrogant. Ik doe de vitesse snel, daar is de die camper plan. Daarom doe ik een second dose samen, want ik kan niet zo gelegen met jou. Weet het al, hoe je bent lazy, je moet als een bitch. Dat is de reden dat jij niet hoort, alles is gek, het zit in de soul. Vaak besef ik, ze leven in je hoofd. Ze leven in je hoofd. Energy kan je horen zonder woorden. Allergies zijn hier, je bent voor van de blijven horen. Oh please, niemand kan me dus verstoren. Always in de zone, dit is de flow van alle goden. Hey, make some noise man, make some noise. Oh my god, dit is die andere wacht. Maar dit is die soft, kom met de bron. Deze is eerder dan hier, dit is die andere stof. Where are you from? Dit is die alles voor me, echt net voor je. Daarom ben ik moe van. Ik werd langzaam, dat komt gewoon je snoep van. Ik ben vroeg daar, ik blijf op mijn doel, ja. Dit is moeizaam, maar ik ben behoedzaam, ja. Hey yo bro, als het soms wat moeilijk is, fuck that shit bro. Fuck that shit, fuck shit. Je bent creative, maak je eigen realiteit in de speech. Want jij denkt, ik ben ook iets geweest, we geven de stap, we pakken die mee. Ik zeg het je eerlijk, het is niet hetzelfde wat chase. Nog steeds aan het feest, stippen de bus en de accelereren. Ik blijf op die leren, het is niet zelfs want ik ben zo meest. Ik vat met alles, maar energie moet je niet laten van me. Ik heb het nodig voor al mijn plannen, je bent overboord, je kan niet hangen. Ben op de hoogte van alle slangen, dus je de hoogste gedachten kan. Kom van de bodem, ik pak mijn kansen, ik ben niet begonnen, maar ik ben een master. Hoogte en laagte, hoeder en palen, ik ben op sport en balans wat ik haal. Ik ben de truth, jij bent de falen, die is net op de Joey is up next.
Whoa, we still going.
Joey's here on stage.
Last minute to check over. That's me.
You good actually? Joey, where you at? We need you. Thanks, bro. So my people need me shit.
Suni, man. You ready, man?
Whoa.
Shit.
I put the rest out, they gon' get it. I put the rest out, they gon' get it. I put the rest out, they gon' get it. Bitch, I better get rest. I put the rest out, they gon' get it. I put the rest out, they gon' get it. I put the rest out, they gon' get it. Bitch, I better get rest. I'm up your man, I got upset. I had to run late and catch a dead. Then I see you come on the back of the tank. Stay on the play, I'm trying to stress on. If he get the jump, get out and go over for rest. My man in the trap, and it goes any fashion. These niggas the trap, and I send some ads. You need a new front like I have in the strap. And my mom in the mission, the vision, extended all shit in the grass. Bitch, fuck it, I had to go get it. And the rest get out now, split, I used to 438. And my fellow was loving this women. How many niggas the must get you? So I'm like, they bitch, I let me ball for that. You know it, though, it does so special. See my cool, I'm off of these manners. You want you to know I'm the better. But it was twisty when my life ended. Real talk, I said, pull up. With that XD, I'm gon' stretch it. Oh, pour up. All that new we moving crap. With that 5, 5, 6 quick, I bust your goal, now you on the stretch, no nigga. Come on, we run the game, but what? I put the rest out, they gon' get it. I put the rest out, they gon' get it. I put the rest out, they gon' get it. Bitch, I better get rest, hold on. I put the rest out, they gon' get it. I put the rest out, gon' get it. Gon' get, I better get rest. I love your man, I got upset. I better get rest. Then I see you come on the back of the tank, still the 30, I'm trying to stress one. If you get the job, you get out and go up for rest. My man in the trap, and it goes any fashion. These niggas were trying to stress and action.
Give it up for my boy.
I put the rest in their face. sad. I be doing this shit for a couple racks. They don't fuck with that, but that's just too bad. People say fake, but we all know that. Beef, that's for real. Like, bro, I don't really know. Can you keep it 100 with me, bro? I don't really know. Can you stop with that fake shit? Boy, you look like a clown. I just be minding my business. I'm trying to stay 10 toes down. Whoa, beef, that's for real. Like, bro, I don't really know. Keep it 100 with me, bro. I don't really know. Can you stop with that fake shit? Boy, you look like a clown. I just be minding my business. I'm trying to stay 10 toes down. I got no clue, I just do no spec. Money go back and see that black. They doing push-ups cause I need my strength. So never push up the middle again. Fuck it, bro, I think I'm making it happen. All that I let them know, I'm never lacking. They do it best and it keeps me fucked. Like, bro, I don't really know. Can you keep it 100 with me, bro? I don't really know. Can you stop with that fake shit? Boy, you look like a clown. I just be minding my business. I'm trying to take 10 toes down.
That's my first song. I hope I fuck with it. Appreciate y'all. Alright, next one is a little bit slower, and I'm singing on this motherfucker, so let's get it. Damn, I should have asked for some water, bro. Fuck, my throat fucked up, man.
It's getting hot as fuck out here, bro.
This song is called Location.
Nah, it's cool. Fuck with it. And I'm seeing we in this bitch right now. Record it, right? Alright.
Yo, shout out to my boy Aldo. He could've made it when he made this beat.
Yeah, X when I
You meet me at the station. Baby, can you send me your location? Girl, you look so sweet with the J's on. Shining like the sun, I got my rays on. Baby, can you send me your location? Baby, can you send me your location? Girl, you look so sweet with the J's on. Shining like the sun, I got my rays on. Baby, can you meet me at the station? Baby, can you send me your location? Gotta wrap it up. I don't know where Mitch at. Is Mitch not here? Okay. Hey, I'm bringing back old school. Falls, where you at? You still here? Hop up on the stage, my boy. Yo, hey, I'm talking about the click.
Yo.
My little posse.
Hey, this for the sounds of hope, you feel me?
Feel me? Let's get it.
Everybody, let's try to turn up. This is my last song.
Yeah, hey, get your phones out. Get your phones out, fellas. Flashlights, come on, man. Hey.
Listen, have you ever thought about this shit? Surrounded by some real ones rolling with a clip. Have you ever went ahead and checked the risk and put your life on the line, making niggas pissed off? It's okay, I got some blows to my head, but they can't do it again, cause I'm rolling with the best of niggas who got heart, don't know where to start. If you talk about yes, you can call them an investor. If you need to get the cops off your back, then you gotta hit the number, man, you better call Lester. She might be liking what I got, if the black is getting hot, then I can't afford to be a big flexer. And I know I'm not going crazy. I see lights flashing, yelling up a habit. Blue, I'm coming in like yesterday's fashion. My crew kept running at the house like what's cracking. And that shit is really going down, man. Shit done popped out, we got the boys on their backs. Had to run away, fuck what they gon' say. We gon' live another day, another chance to get the packs. Told them niggas bye, told them adios. We did all of that shit, still looking hella dope. It's how it had to be, we rollin' hella deep, man. The crew staying fresh like a creep, baby, so listen, have you ever thought about the shit? Surrounded by some real ones rolling with a clip. Have you ever went ahead and took the risk and put your life on the line, making niggas pissed off? It's okay, I got some blows to my head, but they can't do it again, cause I'm rolling with the best of niggas who got heart, don't know where to start. If you talk about yes, you can call them an investor. If you need to get the cops off your back, then you gotta hit the number, man, you better call Lester. She might be liking what I got, if the block is getting hot, then I can't afford to be a big flexer.
Hey, I'm about to sing on this motherfucker too, huh? Man, I think I love it. Hold on. This might be Kitchen Gang.
Yeah, bro. Kitchen Gang for real shit, bro.
Fuck it, man. Let's get it, bro. Hey, give it up for yourselves. Who's the next artist?
Who's the next artist?
Who's the next artist?
Where you at?
Hey, is this on me?
Is that you?
It must be him. I see him.
Must be him.
Main suspect.